National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 6:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Rush, or 28 miles southwest of Lyman, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.